Alright, so alright, we're going to be talking about this chameleon, but sized down. Alright, so this is chameleon Bob.
Okay.
And actually, when we first printed this, it had supports. As you can see right now, it's like really wiggly. It came like this. It came exactly like this, but with support. We had to print another one because... You want to tell them why?
Yes.
So the supports were all attached all around the body or the print. And so when you tried peeling it off, it just wasn't made for it. And so it just fell apart.
Like the legs popped off.
So I don't necessarily think for this print or maybe most of the other ones.
We don't know yet.
We don't know because this is the only print we've done so far. And today we're going to be in like the support. Yeah, the supports. And this chameleon and size down. Yep, really small. Yep. All right, so let's take it from there. All right. Also, just remember this print. This print is from the X Maker Joy. And we printed this from the app that's connected to the printer. All right, well, let's take it away from there and let's go show you the smaller chameleon. Sized down. And let me tell you, it's going to blow your mind. It's so cute. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's go look.
So when we find what we want, there's going to be either view, edit, or print. I'm going to press print. Now it's going to load. And that's the chameleon. Then you're going to go in the corner to settings. And you're up top, you're going to see bed obsession. And you're going to be able to choose raft or none. I'm going to choose none for this. And then support type, I'm going to do none, which is normal. Okay, so I'm going to do standard printing. See, it's like, if this is standard printing, and it's kind of hard, it's not going to fall apart easily, it's hard. I think that's the right. Alright, so now we're going to go back. Alright, let's check. Yep, it's all good. And then I'm going to press print. Alright, task 1 is slicing. As you know, in the other video, I talked about slicing. You can scroll around, and then in the corner, you can see this little thing right here. This is 49 layers. So if you go to the top, it's going to tell you how many in total. So if I go here, so wait, that's 176. That's 16. That's a lot of layers. Alright, now I'm going to press start. Alright, now it's just going to load. It's going to tell you how it's loading, how much. That way it can load the print and put it uploaded to this thing. Alright, now you see that little buzz? That means that it's printing. If you can hear that, it's basically just where it's warming up here. What I do think is that with this kid's printer, if you want a bigger print of something, let's see, like if you wanted this to be bigger, I don't think that the kids printer would be able to print it. You would have to go with the like actual size, like the one that we started with in the beginning. Alright, well, I guess we'll see you later again what happens with our second chameleon. The chameleon. Okay.
Wow, look at that.
That's really cool. Alright. So we're just gonna take off this magnetic bit. I can just rip this off. Yeah, it's a little bit tricky. But we'll look down below. Look. Yeah, I know.
Pull it from there.
All right, I'll do the honors. But I have to take off the magnet because you Oh God. This is a chameleon Bob, the baby. All right, that's the big difference. I have to be so careful because I'm like scared of my bird. Oh my God, that's like so satisfying. Okay, not done yet. Here, print this way. Yep. What percent was this? 25 does not work. This is what happens. Don't. I am Brew Kid. 100% definitely works because this is 100%. It's flexible. It doesn't break so far. And it works perfectly. This is it, and it's wonderful. So what you should do is probably test out like the scaling, and I would recommend using it on a computer because then it gives you like these little number scales. But with like an iPad or a phone, you have to adjust it with your fingers. So not every STL file works well, but as you can see, this one definitely worked. It split bends, it's flexible, and so far it doesn't break like I said. So this STL file definitely works. I mean, if you did just want like a small chameleon bob that no one would touch just for show, I mean, it would be kind of good if you didn't even touch it, like bend the pieces. But I would recommend doing at least the size up because even if you want to pick it up to move, stand it in its position, and you definitely want a very good print. So if this ever happens to your print where like it falls apart or it just breaks, it's not the printer. It's just that you might have sized it down too low, or you need to adjust it. Yeah. Or it's a bad STL file. That is sometimes the case. And what you need to do in that case is try and sometimes adjust it or find a new print. And that's a great way to do this printer. So this is definitely a recommended printer for kids. It's mine. It's nobody else's. It's literally mine. It's mine. Yes. Thank you all for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Or ideas for other videos. Remember to like and subscribe. And we'll see you all next time.